ano nangyari? Lusaw, ubos versus nagsa-start ako. Ba't ko nasabi yan? When you say you're trading money you're willing to lose, you really mean it. Ibig sabihin, okay lang na mawala yan kasi that's not a big part of my money. Pero as traders, isipin nyo, ano yung ano yung reason ba't mo nasasabi yun? Why is it that there are people who can say, while looking at you in the eye, this is money I'm willing to lose? Kasi yung subliminal na message nun, mayaman na siya. He is not trading to win. He is trading not to lose. Hindi siya bulagsak sa pera. Hindi siya yung, kailangan manalo ko, babayaran ko yung credit card utang ko. Kailangan manalo ako dahil meron ako pinagkakautangan. Ano nangyari? Naging mas aggressive, naging very aggressive on leverage, naging 100x, kasi malaki ang kikitain. Ano nangyari? Lusaw, ubos, liquidated.